JAMB Mathematics class with chemistry, right? So in this video here, we're going to focus on arithmetic what progression called sequence, right? We have what called AP, which is called arithmetic progression. We have what called GP, geometry what progression. So now this arithmetic progression has different subtopics, right? So in this video, we want to look at what the end term of what of an AP, the end term of an AP. I want to solve the rest of questions. These are the what first of questions I want to solve. We want to solve about 6 questions, so I know how to solve end term of AP in different words questions. Do you understand? So, but therefore, let's look at what the arithmetic was progression. Let's look at short note or short explanation on arithmetic progression. Take that arithmetic progression is a form of sequence in which each term is gotten by the addition of a common difference to the preceding one. Alternatively, we can say that AP are sequence that follows simple addition rule. Just so now, in order to solve the end term of the words of arithmetic progression here, we have a simple formula. I just want to enter what the end term of what of AP straight. So Tn equals to what A plus n minus 1 then D. So this one is the end term of the AP, right? A is what is the first term. So we have A first term, right? N is what is the nth term, right? Then D is equal to common difference. Common what difference? Common what difference? So these are what I want to use in solving what problem, right? So when we talk about the end term of AP, this is the formula we use here. So how do we start solving problem? Now let's start solving different what problem here. So I want to solve calculation. I don't want to go up and down. So if you find the fourth term, right? The fourth term of an AP, whose first term is 2 and common difference is what 0.5. So they ask you to find the fourth term, right? Of what? The fourth term of what? Of the arithmetic what progression, right? That is my n. Is what is 4. Just because here we have Tn, right? This one is the n term, right? That is my n is equal to 4. Do you understand now? Now my a, that is the first term, which is a, is what the first term is what is 2. While the common difference is what 0.5. Is okay. So now let's write the formula out. So Tn equals to what? A plus n minus 1 D, right? That is it. So let's impute. So you will have T4 equals to what? My A is what? 2 plus. My n is what? Is 4 minus 1. Then my D is what? 0.5. Is okay. So what are you going to get here? 2 plus 4 minus 1 is what? Is 3. 3 times 0.5. Is okay. So 3 times 0.5, here we have 1.5. So it's going to be 2 plus 1.5. It's going to be what? It's going to be 3.5. So the fourth term of this progression is what? The fourth term of this progression is what? 3.5. You can see how it is. It's not difficult. It's not what? It's not difficult. But now let's just say we increase it to what? To 6. Here is what is 3, and here we have 2. So go ahead and find the system of the progression. Go ahead and find the system of the progression. Very important. So let me move to the second question. Very important. Find the ninth term of the arithmetic progression. Now look at the arithmetic progression here, right? So they're asking us to look for the ninth term, right? Now, what is the progression here? The progression is, look at the progression here. Here we have 18 minus 12, 6, 0, minus 6. Now, our first term is the first one here. Just like our first term is the first one here. Here we have A equals to what? Equals to 18. So how do we get our common difference? It's very easy. Our common difference D is going to be this minus this, or this minus this, or this minus this, or this minus this. It's okay. So it's going to be 12 minus what? 18, or 6 minus 12. It's okay. 12 minus 8 is what? Is minus 6. Can you see that? So my common difference is what? Is minus 6. As easy as that. Then what's my n? My n is what? Is 9. Can you see that? So that is t n equals to what? A plus n minus 1 d. Right? You are looking at what the 9 term. You n t9 equals to what? A is what? Is 18 plus n is what is my n? My n is what? Is 9 minus 1. My common difference is what? Is minus 6 times minus 6 times minus 6. Is okay. It's times. So going to be what? 18 plus, here we have 9 minus 1 is what? Is 8. 8 times minus 6 is okay. So 8 times 6, here we have what? 48. So here we have 18 plus minus 48, right? Plus times minus is what? Is minus. So here we have 18 minus 48. Can you see that? So 18 minus 48 is what? Minus 30. That is the answer. Minus what? 30. As easy as that. Very easy. So what about if you change it to what? To 1210? It's okay. If you change it to 1210, what will be the answer here? We are still using the same thing here. What will be the answer? So go ahead and solve this what? Question 2. Let me talk about question 3. Very important. Question 3. So question 3 is that, given that 443 is the n term of the arithmetic progression, so that is my n term is equals to what? 443, right? Now look at the progression. The progression is what? 5 plus 8 plus 11 plus. It's okay. Now they ask you to look for the n. It's okay. So my first term here, my first term a is equal to what? 5. What the common difference is very easy. This minus this, or this minus this is okay. So if you look at it, 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5 is what? Is 3, right? 11 minus 8 is what? Is 3. So my common difference here is okay. This minus this 3, my common difference is what? Is 3. It's okay. Now they say should look for the n term. So remember, Tn equals to what? A plus n minus 1 d, right? So here is always one here. So here I can say 443 equals to my a. What is my a? 5 plus my n is what? N minus 1. Then d is what? Is 3. So how do we solve this here? It's very easy. So here we have 443 equals to 5 plus. Now when you put the bracket here, we have this. Right here we have 3n minus what? 3, right? Because 3 times n is what? 3n. 3 times 1 is what? 1, right? So if you open the bracket here, we have 443 equals to 5 plus 3n minus 3. Is okay. That is it. So the goal here is what? Is to make this one solve the formula here. Carry this one. So here we can just say 443 equals to 5 minus 3 plus 3n, right? 5 minus 3 is what? Because let us arrange this one here. So 5 minus 3 is what? Is 2. 443 equals to what? 2 plus 3 what? N, right? Can you go to this other side here? Here we have 443 minus 2. Here we have what? 441. 441 equals to 3n. Now let's make n self formula here. So my n equals to what? 441 over what? 3. 441 divided by what? 3. Here we have what? 147. Is okay. That is the answer. It's okay. That is the answer here. So look at our question 4. Look at our question 4. Look at our question 4. If the system of an arithmetic progression is level and the first term is 1, find the common difference. So they say that the system is what is the level, right? That's what they said here. There is my n. What's my n? My n is what is 6. It's okay. Now my first term, which is what a is what is 1. Is okay. What they say should look for common difference. You are being asked to find common difference here, as easy as that. So n term equals to what? A plus n minus 1 d, right? That has to look for this one here. So let's input our value here. This t here, which is what is 11 here, right? So here going to be what 11. It's okay. Here we have what 11, right? Equals to a is what 1 plus my n is what is 6 minus 1, then d, right? So 11 equals to 6 minus 1 is 5. So it's going to be 1 plus 5d, right? Can you down here? So you're going to be 11 minus 1 equals to what? 5d, right? 10. 5d equals to what? 10. 11 minus 1 is what? Is 10. Here we have divide both side by 5, right? D equals to what? 2. That is what answer. So we are done with everything here. So let's say we change that to what? To 8. Here we have 12. Now the first time, let's say here we have what? Here, just say 3. What is the find common difference? Do you understand?